Happy Father's Steak.
Start off by rendering the fat from the beautiful dry-aged bone-in ribeye. Reserve some beef fat for the sous vide process. Chill that fat. Sear the steak on super high heat, 25 seconds on each side. Now into the ice bath. Dry off excess moisture. Place the steak into the Anova port vacuum bag. Transfer all the chilled beef fat. I also like to add some clarified butter because it makes me happy. Seal the bag with the Anova Precision portable handheld vacuum. Warm water in the container. Set Anova Precision Cooker Nano to 58 degrees Celsius and 48 minutes later. Check this steak out. Now let's let out some charcoal, baby. Season the wire mesh with some dry-aged beef. Sea salt on both sides. Now we grill. Constantly flipping the steak every 15 to 20 seconds. And brush that rendered dry-aged beef fat on the ribeye. A few sprays of sake. Final sear on the hot grill. Brush that beef fat. Add that finishing salt. And we're ready to go. Separate the rib bone. Slice the ribeye cap. This is my favorite part. Finish with flaky sea salt and enjoy.
Smoky, cheesy, tender. To all the dads out there, Happy Father's Day.